In episode 4, we'll add background music and sound effects to your Java visual novel engine to make your game immersive and lively. Download suitable background music and click sound effects files for your project. Create a new folder audio and move your download audio file. Import Java sampled packages classes to your project. Declare two variable background clip and click clip inside your scene manage class. We start by adding a utility method named loadSound, which takes in a file name and a boolean to determine if the sound should loop. Inside, we load the audio as a resource stream, open it in a clip, and start playback if looping is enabled. Next, inside our load scene method, we ensure that we stop any currently playing background music before loading the new one. We then load and start the background music for the scene. We also enhance our button click functionality by playing a click sound whenever the player selects a choice. This feedback improves the user experience and makes your visual novel engine feel professional. Congratulations! You now have a fully interactive visual novel engine that not only displays images and choices but also provides an engaging audio experience for your players. In the next episode, we will add save and load game functionality so that players can continue their stories later.